couldn't get the gear shifter. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this, as we take this big turn on the Himalayan. So we're on our way to a trail, and I figured I'd show you how these Motoz 70/30 off-road tires do on the tarmac. You gotta be real careful and take your time on a road like this. It's almost like in the turns being on a little bit of a seesaw or a teeter-totter because of the knobbies. So not gonna roll through this like we would on the Goldwing or the Z900 or even the Scout for that matter. Just gonna take our time, and I believe the trail that I'm looking for is at the end of this mountain climb. Yeah, no, it's Cooper Gap Road. Alright, so we'll have to, that building with the painted mural on it. I believe this goes to let's see. More cows. What's up, cow? Wow, you don't want to take that turn too fast. Woo! That would be painful. Alright, looks like we might be changing up here. Is this gravel? Not yet. Here we go. How about that? Turns into dirt. Absolutely, that's amazing. Alrighty. Oof. So, what's this sign say? Wanted. Your campfire dead out. Oh, fair enough. So we're going to use the old ABS and the old rear slide with the back tire to get these turns. Oh wow, look at this. I mean, there's no... Wow, man. That is a far drop. Ooh. Holy cow. That's steep. Ugh. I mean, so far this is in really good shape. This probably has a lot of truck traffic. Oof! Alright, here we go with some rocks. Oh, brakes. Oh. Oh, these tires do so much better job than those stock tires. You hear that sliding around back there? Let's make our own trail. What do we got here? What's going back here? Check this out. And now we're going off-road. That looks like somebody had a campfire back here. Let's check it out. That was really cool. This is the Himalayan and its environment. Just looks good. Oh, wow. There's a big tree that came down. Well, you can see there's a lake or a river. Wow. Let's go check this out. Well, that's running good. Look at that. Wow. Let's see, go on this side. Ooh, that's steep. Holy moly. It's a pretty cool trail though. I have to remember this one. Forest Service Road 33. Oh, that's a pretty good stop right there. The old waterfall in the Himalayan. Perfect ad. That sucker's long, I love it. Oh, wow. Thanks for coming on another adventure on the old Royal Himalayan, giving the Motoz RallZ tires a shot. It's performed flawless as usual. Great trail, great scenery, great weather. Thanks for watching, and don't forget,